Hi everyone, welcome back to our $1 million challenge. So we are back at our day 17. So basically, what we are doing here is we are taking $1 and with $1 we are aiming for a 1% profit in every single day. If it is not possible, the next day, and we are setting a stop loss or 5% of our whole bankroll, and our aim is just to get a 1% in every single day or in every single sessions with expect all our other investments and overdoing series. Okay, so today is our day 17 and we have a $18 in our bankroll, $18.43, and today's profit goal is 0.18 cents and our loss limit is $0.92. Okay, and today's date is 5th April 2026. And recently I was reading a comment and one of our followers says that why I am not posting any kind of bonuses, how much I receive. The thing is that I have a bonus column here, but I am not eligible for any kind of bonuses right now. I will show you next. So here we are. So about the bonus, we have to wager a lot in order to receive the bonuses. But since we have a low wager and we are going to do wager in future, so I'm not able to receive any kind of bonuses. Throughout the bonuses, I have a very low rank. The more we wager here, the more rank we are going to achieve. We have a rakebacks here. I'm not able to. Sorry, I'm not going to claim it right now. We are going to claim after a time. It is not helping us to receiving our additional deposit. Okay, so when I switch in USDC, before that I have a rakeback of 0.06 penny. There, here it is. Now I am switching to USDC, and we have a additional next 2 days additional deposit balance in vault. So we are funding our journey with our own money. We are not affiliated to anyone, and I'm not affiliated anything. So we are doing this journey very transparent to not to lose people their mind to see as a free money. So I was doing a wager. I mean, after looking that comment, I think we have to increase our rank, but I think we don't have to fall that trap. Wager is very hard to do. We are going to do a wager with a time. I mistakenly placed a $10 bet here, and I didn't see it. I thought it is a 10 cents, but mistakenly it's a $10. So we are not doing wager, but hopefully we are not getting a losing streak. So this help us to wager 50. I mean, yeah, something like that. So I mentioned why we are not able to claiming the bonuses right now. We have to wager more than $9,300 to reach bronze JVIP. That time we are going to receive our bonuses in a weekly wise. No problem. We can. Our goal is just to get a 1%, not to wager. Okay. So after that, what after that? Okay, let's add to our challenge and do some sessions. Let me tell you again, boys. After our bankroll will grow a little for, like, we have a 3-digit bankroll. We are going to split our bankroll in different investments, like investments we are going to talk about in future. So we don't have to rely in only one income source. We have to make additionally portfolios. There is a quote that we don't have to put all the fruits in a one bucket. We have to diversify. So it will help us to saving our fruits. Okay, let's back. Here we are. Like I said, we have a what do we have? I have a short-term memory loss. I think we have a day 17 here, and our today's bankroll is 18.43 cents. I mean dollar. So in previous session we play a coin flip. Here it is. I think you have to try one more time. We Our aim is just to get a 1%, 0.18 cents. Okay, we are fixing, or we are not increasing our base bet. We are increasing after losing streaks. Let's go with random pick first time. Okay, and it somehow goes with a plan. Okay, let's go with half heads. No problem. After we are increasing more than 1 unit. Okay, heads again. Somehow we managed to get back. Okay. This is very stressful, boys, because a few losing streaks can wipe over 5% stop loss. So we have to do it with very slow gains, and don't have to fall for a trick that we are thinking that it will come, and after we are very confident, it eventually feel like we are a dumbest person and we did this, because regret have no outcomes. Without If we are regretting after that, we just have to assume if we are doing something, then you have to assume it's not a assume that it if it not happens like we are thinking, then how we are going to behave after that. So it helps to regain our conscious and not to fall a trap. Okay, we are in a good thing. Okay, let's one more time. No problem. Tails, heads. Now I can flip real life coins easily. Nice. We have a 7 cents profit here. That's very good. 11 cents more to go. Okay, heads again. Cash out. Tails, if it is possible, cash out. Let's go again with tails. No possible. Okay, tails again. Somehow managed to. Okay. So, where should we go now? It is like 50-50 chances we have. Let's go to where it is. I did Dragon Tower. I don't know how people feel like about this one, but lots of people says that it have a good losing streaks. Let's go with medium one. Okay. It is very. Here is a dragon we have. Okay. One time loss. 3 time. Can we go? No. Because we don't have to go with impatience. Okay. 2, 3. One more to go. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Cash out. Okay, we are not going to feel like that we can do this. Let's go with this sequence. Okay, one time, third time, and the fourth time. Okay, no problem. Fifth. Okay, sixth time. Okay, and our sixth attempt we successfully managed to get a 3x. It's not worth it, by the way, because we lose our profit here. Let's head back to our conclave and see if we can manage to get back there. Okay, let's go with head and tail. Heads. Cash out. Tails. Let's go with 2 times tails. There is only heads. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times head. Let's go with 4 cents best bet. Cash out. Okay, again tails. Cash out. Now let's go with heads. Cash out. Let's go with tails. Okay, we somehow managed to. Let's go with heads. And let's increase our heads and tails. Let's go with tails and heads. Okay. Tails. Okay. Okay. And heads. We are hitting or we are going to downward right now. Cash out. Let's not messing up and doing some simple methods here. Heads. Tails. Okay, cash out. Heads. Cash out. Heads again. Tails again. Okay. Managed to get back a 3x we have. And we are ripping our 0.5% profit. No problem. Okay, heads. Go with heads again. Go with tails. Let's double our base bet. Okay. Let's go with heads. Let's go with heads again. Okay, can we go with tails? No, we don't have to. Let's go with tails. Cash out. Let's go with heads. Cash out. Let's go with heads again. Cash out. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winning streaks here. Let's go with heads again, and here it comes tails. Okay. Heads again. No problem. Heads again. No problem. Let's increase our base bet. Cash out. Let's go with tails. Tails is not coming. Heads. Tails. Okay. Cash out. And it comes tail. That's why I'm saying, guys, lots of time you are thinking that it will come. When we are going with tail, it comes heads, and when we are going to get a tail, it comes head. It's manipulating things. Cash out. Tails, it come heads. Oh, let's go with tails, it come heads. It comes. Let's go with heads, it come tails. Here it is. Let's go with heads, and it will drop a tail. Here it is. I think I'm a fortune teller. Let's go with again tail. Nice. Let's go with heads. Again heads. Cash out. Again heads. Heads is not working right now. Okay, tails, last one. Okay, we have a 7x here. And I think we are backing a little bit profit here, like 9 cents, half of our profit goal. So we go with tail and okay, head first, no problem. Let's increase our base bet, double down. Okay, somehow managed to heads, heads again, cash out. Going again heads, heads again. Let's increase a unit, heads. Let's double now, cash out. Let's heads again, cash out. Okay, we are going up and downs. It's okay. It is a part of journey. We don't have to be impulsive here. Okay, let's increase our base bet and go with tails. Tails is not coming. Let's increase with a 1.5 unit. Tails. Okay, so how much we need right now? We need 3 more cents to reach our profit goal. It's okay. Tails again. Miss that one. Okay, no problem. We are increasing a unit, not a full base bet. Okay, cash out. Let's go with 0.01 cents. Go by tail again. Okay, let's increase a unit. Tails. Okay, tail again. No problem. Let's increase a unit. Okay, cash out. Tails. Let's go with 2 times a tail if it is possible. Okay, it is possible sometimes. We are going to cash out right now. Okay, so we have a wager of $1.80 and we have a profit right now here 0.19 cents. So our goal is done for a day, boys. Let's fill it in a Excel sheet. We have 1 extra cents to go. It's a good thing. Okay, so day 17 is successful and now we have a 18.61 in our bankroll, and in future we have a about the wager and about the bonuses. We are going to wager a little bit to or extra. If we are winning extra here, then we can wager with it, but it is not possible since it's a cents, so it's not worthy to wager. But in future we are going to do wager and also increasing, and I will update about the weekly and monthly bonuses and any kind of bonuses I'm going to receive. I will show you in this column here. And after the journey, after a year and monthly to monthly, I will guys let me know all of you that how much we are going to receive in these sessions. Okay, there are a lot to say. We are going to save for it next video. Hope you like and enjoy the journey of our series. If you have any questions and comments, you can drop it in comment and ask anything whatever you want. And if you have any suggestions for about this challenge, you can also drop your comment and let me know, so it helps me to build a better system to follow, and our goal is to just aim a small gains together for a better future. Okay boys, thank you for a day. Bye bye. Hope to see you in next video.